today I'm just going to be doing my everyday makeup look, my go-to makeup tutorial. I took my lashes off for like a year now. Well, it's been like almost a year. So I've been just living this natural look and rocking with it. And it's so much easier to like take care of like your face and just do like your eye look and not have to worry about like lashes or anything. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. I'm going to put my hair up because gotta get the hair out of the face. Okay, so I went to Sephora and I got a couple new things and I'm gonna try them today in my makeup tutorial. So I just thought I would share with you guys what that is. So the first thing that I got is this Urban Decay All-Nighter, and it's a primer. So I'm just going to start and put that underneath my eyes. And basically just pull that out. And I'm no professional, but this is how it looks. And I just like it to be very like highlighted in my eyes in the corners, so I don't look like I have bags under my eyes or anything. So we're just gonna make sure that's good. And then I also go in the top. Like that. And then I'm just going to blend that in. I know it looks crazy now, but it'll all work out in the end, promise. I love like how that literally just like, it literally brightens your face. This stuff is amazing. It's in the shade Light Warm. And it's a waterproof full coverage concealer. And then I'm gonna just add it to any like little blemishes that I have at the moment. Okay, cool. And then I just take a sponge and just blend it all in. I'm going to go in with my liquid foundation, and I purchased the Hourglass Vanish, and it is in the shade Nude. So it's in a bottle like this. Love my nail color, it's so pretty. I just got them done today. And then I'm going to put 1 to 2 pumps on here and see how buildable this is. Because I haven't tried this one. I actually got the stick foundation and I liked that one a lot, but we'll see how this one looks. So far it's like super thin. It's a pretty dark shade, but I know my body's tanner than my face, so I think that it will all blend together. It looks pretty buildable, so I'm just gonna put as many layers as I think till my face is pretty covered. It doesn't look too cakey, but I gotta make sure it's blended into my neck. After I think I have a pretty solid foundation on, I'm just going to go in with the powder And I got this new one, Smashbox Halo. And it looks like that. And this one's like a twisty, let's see if I can get the plastic. And it's like a twistable, so basically you would just go like, oh, I see. And then the powder comes out. So I'm gonna be taking a fluffy e.l.f. brush for this and dab it in, and I wanna go straight under the eyes because we don't want creases to start. And in the eye. I like this, but it's kind of messy. My other powder that I got, yeah, this one's very like powdery and kind of messy. So the other one that I got was this Tarte, and this is in the shade Fair. And I forgot to tell you guys, this one's in the shade Fair as well. So let's see, this one comes with a nice sponge. Might save this one for later because I already just opened up this one. So we're just gonna do our whole face with the Smashbox, and so you guys can tell like whether it looks good or not, and that I'm not mixing two different powders. So after the powder is done, I go in with my Benefit slanted brush like this, and I'm just going to go in with the NARS. This is my contour palette, kind of hitting the pan, but I love it and it looks really good. So I'm just going to go a little bit above the cheekbone. Like that, and just keep blending that out. I mean, you think you have a pretty good contour, you can do your chin, jawline. And the other side. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera so much. I'm trying to look also in my mirror, which is a little bit easier. And then I'm also just gonna do my forehead and go in circular motions and just buff that up. And nose is optional. Make sure that's blended more. Kind of hard to do with like a bigger brush, but can still do a little bit. Next thing I got was this Halo Cookie highlighter, and just look at how gorgeous this color is. So it comes with like a little another brush. The color is just, I'll take the plastic off. You guys see that? Beautiful. That's so pretty. I love it. So I'm just going to apply that just a little bit up here, and then the nose and Cupid's bow. And then I do the other side. You can do underneath your brow if you like that look, totally up to you. And then the next thing that I do is I just go in with this brush, and I'm going to go in with the Tarte. This is in the shade quirky. Don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe not. So I'm gonna go in with this really cute color, and then I just put a little bit of that in apples. And then the last thing I do is go in with this Too Faced Candlelight, and I use this thing like crazy, but it's got almost like a blush and a highlighter, so if you don't feel like you have enough, I go in with this big brush and just go in a circular motion. Blend everything together. Didn't really do my forehead today. I'm kind of just trying to do this part of my face, and so the whole thing's not highlighted. And you can go down to your neck. And then the next thing I do is go with this pencil. It's just a cheap, probably drugstore pencil. Don't really do anything crazy with my brows because I do go get them waxed and tinted occasionally. So if I need to fill them in a bit, I'll just go in with a little pencil. And then I brush them up. The next thing I got was this Laura Mercier, did I say that right? The Volume Mascara, and it looks like this. And that's all I do for my eye makeup. I don't do eyeshadow or eyeliner. I just have been doing mascara and loving it, and it just makes my eyes like pop more. Since they're blue, they just look better, I guess, with less. So the next thing I do is I go in with my Too Faced Lip Injection Clear Gloss. And the last and final thing, I'm just going to be spraying my face with the Cover Fix High Performance 24-Hour Wear Spray. And that wraps it up, you guys. Take out my hair. And my hair, this is pretty much all natural curls. I did put a couple with the curling wand, so it just wasn't completely like flat, but I just have been going with this like natural wave lately, and I cut my hair like a lot of inches off because it was so like dead and just uneven, and I just think that it looks so much better and a fresh cut. It's been so nice, easy to like get out of the shower and brush it and just do everything with. And I've also got this Oplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo, and I've also been using the bonding one and the conditioner, but I just picked it up in the shampoo because it's just changed my hair game. Like how it feels, the shine, like it's grown too from when I cut it in January, and it was like up to here. So it's definitely taking care of my hair, and I love this shampoo and it feels amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.